QuData.com.
Hello. QuData is with you, and today we will show you how you can make such short videos completely free of charge. We will use the Leonardo AI service. We have already talked about it in previous videos. So, first let's create a picture. You can create prompts and settings as you wish. Generating a picture. Now you can animate it. There are no additional settings for animation, perhaps this will change in the future. This is the result we got. You can also make a video from the generations of other users. To do this, select the picture you like on the main page, click on it and click Image to Motion. The generation result is ready. Subscribe to the channel so as not to miss new videos about AI.